Hello, I'm Aurora with Beuta. Today we're going to be demonstrating the difference between different landscape edging options, comparing them to Beuta, and just weighing the pros and cons of each. So the most common dig-free landscape edging you're going to see at, Home Depot, Lowe's is going to be this. It's standard black plastic landscape edging. It's pretty flexible. I mean, you can do curves for sure. I just can't imagine that a weed whacker would do this any favors. And the stakes that it comes with are made of the same material as the edgings. It just isn't going to be very secure. I mean, pulled it right out. It might be cost effective, but it's not very natural looking, and I can't imagine that it's very long lasting either. One of the most common options you'll see for faux stone landscape edging is going to be this style. It's super lightweight. It connects pretty similar to Beuta, but much thinner, not quite as strong. And it has similar stakes to the roll of edging, where it's just plastic, feels the same as the edging itself. And each section is pretty short. Here I have one section of our Beuta PolyRock 2¼ inch height. One section of ours is 3 sections of theirs. Every section comes with 3 stainless steel stakes to hold it in place. You can buy more stakes too if you have a longer design, or if you end up using lots of function blocks. Our stakes are really secure. I'm gonna try to pull this. It moves a little bit, but not anything like these ones were. The difference there is pretty obvious. One of the other really cool things about Beuta are our function blocks. So if you have a design that has a corner, or if you need just a single block of extra length, and if you want a nice polished end, we have start and end blocks too. We're gonna do a quick weight test. I use the stakes to keep this in the ground because I have a feeling it's gonna fall over, and I'm not gonna stake Beuta because I know it doesn't need it. Just like really easily smushed. When I stress test this, it's really crunchy, like, oh no. There's no way that's surviving even one season outside. This, on the other hand, many seasons outside. All right, I've got a fully charged weed whacker battery here and some really long grass, so we're gonna do a weed whacker test on all 3 of these edging products. There are lots of options when it comes to landscape edging, so you should definitely choose whatever's going to work for you and your space.